Edgar from Funneltopia here. A quick update related to payment links. You now have the ability to not only add a coupon, but also like a coupon field, but also auto apply this coupon. So in case you didn't know, there's the option called payment links, which is basically kind of in case you don't need a fancy sales page, right, or you don't have the time, you just kind of need to have the transaction to speed up the process essentially. Let's say you're on a sales call, right? You're not going to build a fancy sales page for each sale or for each kind of potential customer. So there's this option where you quickly kind of build it up here, add a product or like a specific price. And then you just quickly send them the link and they put in their credit card details or PayPal or whatever, right? And you just process it. It takes a couple of minutes as opposed to hours. So the coupon field. So basically, once you set it up, let's say in this case, I just picked like a $15 product, whatever. And then in the end, once you save it, and then when you want to copy and send it, over here, there's a checkbox, auto apply coupon. So if you click on that, you can select an existing coupon, which I'll show you in a second where to set that up. But we have an existing one, which is a $5 discount to in this case, it's a $15 product. So we applied a $5 discount, auto apply it. So they're going to pay $10 upon checkout, right? And to get the link, obviously you can send it to contacts or you can just copy a link and send it, via email or wherever else. So let's just copy it. Let's open it in a new page. And this is what it looks like, right? It's auto applied, but they can also remove it for whatever reason. But this is good for like, obviously maybe for a t-shirt there's no sales calls for that. But let's say, you're on a call with someone and like a potential client, whatever, and you give them like an on the spot, a little bit of a higher discount than you maybe would give others for whatever reason. So it kind of gives you that flexibility to quickly auto apply it just so there's no hassle for them. They just put in their details and that's it, right? This is all kind of done for them besides this one step. But that is the short version. Let me quickly show you where to set up the payment links and the coupons. So under payments, payment links, this is where you set up the payment link. And then also you can set up a coupon over here. Under coupons, I've done a video on that on the channel as well. So you can search coupons or something. There should be a video on that. But those are kind of the two things that you can then connect together. And obviously payments products to create a product if needed. But that is it for this one. If you have any questions, comment below. If you're a VIP, you can schedule a VIP call with us. If you have more than a question or two, this might be quicker. But if you don't have any questions, then hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.